So a second version of a Y-hang that you need to know at level 1 is rigging between two anchors that are a little bit further apart this time, so up to 1 meter apart for you guys. So I'm going to start by tying the same knots as we did for a basic anchor system. I did 8s on my basic, so I'm going to use 9s this time. So 2 9s either side of the middle. So 1 9 there, and on the other side of the middle I'm going to tie a second figure of 9. Again, same as with the basic, could be 8s, could be 9s. And I'm going to clip both of those anchor knots into one side of the Y-hang. Now with Y-hangs like this, you want to be rigging your Y-hang with a knot here with a loop coming up at an angle of less than 90 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie an Alpine Butterfly in here. I'm going to go round my hand, and from the finger side I'm going to put the outside one in the middle. I'm going to put the new outside one up in a loop and through, and just check that it then looks like an Alpine Butterfly. So I'm going to clip the loop into the anchor on this side. But again, it's not doing what I want here, it's not sharing the load, so I need to move it down so it's more in the middle. So I'm going to hold the shape of the knot with my left hand, and I want to feed rope from here into the loop. So I'm going to push it up, but I don't want to pull the slack through from behind. I'm going to keep pushing it through till it comes out the front. So my left hand holds the knot, the right hand pulls a load of slack through. You can then slide the knot down by moving one of these ropes. So if it doesn't move, try the other one. Slide it down, and when you get it fairly central in the middle, you can pull the excess rope out the bottom, and you should end up still with a nice neat Alpine Butterfly. I then need to do the same with the second one. So I'm going to tie an Alpine just the same way here. I'm going to go put it a little bit higher because it tends to run down the rope a little bit. So I'm going to round my hand 3 times. Stick that one over in the middle, take the new one nearest my fingers over the top and through, and again just check that it does actually resemble an Alpine Butterfly before clipping it in. I'll screw up the gate now while I remember, and it's the same adjustment that I just did on the last knot. So same as before, your left hand is going to hold the shape of the knot, right hand is going to take rope from here and put it into the loop. So push it up until it comes out the front. You can then pull through, plenty of rope, don't be shy, it doesn't matter if you pull through too much. I'm then going to slide the knot down, and when it's fairly central, you can pull the excess out the bottom, and you should end up with 2 Y-hangs that are pretty similar and less than 90 degrees. And that should equalise both anchors pretty well.